Are you having problems with your Peloton not connecting to internet and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you and explain to you step by step exactly how to fix it. So the first thing you're going to do is to check your Wi-Fi connection, because like a very common problem is that your Wi-Fi network will not work. So you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi network is actually working by testing other devices. So for example, your smartphone or laptop. So what I mean is that, let's say that, for example, your smartphone that you're connected to Wi-Fi and that doesn't work either. Then it's unfortunately probably not a Peloton issue, it's your Wi-Fi issue. But if your smartphone or laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as Peloton and it is working, well then it is a Peloton issue. You need to also make sure that your Peloton is in range of your Wi-Fi router. What that means is that you cannot have it, like, you cannot have your Peloton way too far from your router basically. So if you can, make sure that basically move it a little bit closer. See if that can make the thing fixed also. And also, as you can see, you can restart Peloton. So power off your Peloton by holding the power button for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary connection issues, just so you know. Or you can also restart your router or modem, as you can see. So unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the Wi-Fi reconnects, then check if Peloton is able to connect. And this is, by the way, I would say that only do this if your phone or a laptop is also connected to the same Wi-Fi and they are not working either. Then I would do this. And you can also check your Peloton Wi-Fi settings. So open the Wi-Fi settings on the Peloton screen, ensure that you're connected to the correct network, and then enter the Wi-Fi password again if needed. And what I mean by this is to double check so that you have actually connected to the right Wi-Fi and not some other one that might not be working, just so you know. And you can also update your software. So go to Settings, System, Software Updates, and check if there's an update available. Updating the software might resolve connection bugs, just so you know. You can also restart network settings. As you can see, if the Peloton is still not connecting, try resetting the network settings on the device. So go to Settings, Network, then Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved networks and help you start refresh, just so you know. Or will help you start fresh, of course. So you can also check your router settings. So ensure your router is actually set to 2.4 GHz here Wi-Fi, as Peloton often has issues with 5G HZ networks basically. So make sure that the router security settings VPA2 are actually compatible with your Peloton. And if none of these are still working, you need, like as you can see, then you need to contact the Peloton support. So if none of this is working, you need to reach out to the official Peloton customer support for more advanced troubleshooting.